All right, what's going on, guys? Nando here with one more video, and I apologize for the echo. I'm actually at my local apartment's gym. That's why I look the way I look. Not because I've started sweating, but because it's actually raining outside. I don't know if you guys can see that, and I decided I'll just walk to it. Nonetheless, what you guys see on my neck is what I'm gonna be giving you guys a final review of. Whether you should buy it, who's it for, etc. So I've had this for probably almost a month now. And out of all the Bluetooth speakers, I'm not talking headphones, I'm not talking earbuds, I'm talking standalone speakers, something you can buy like the HomePod that Apple has, something you can buy like those Sonos, those pills, this, that, and the other that you can put in a specific place of the house to listen to music. Because those things you don't wear. So you wear this, right? Obviously, as you can see on my neck, I'm wearing it on my neck. You don't place it somewhere and then listen to it. The point of these speakers is it creates personal sound cloud. Why? Because as you guys can see here on my neck, the speakers left and right shoot upwards, right up to your ear, creating that sound cloud. Okay, so what does that do for the user experience? For me personally, it has allowed me to enjoy whatever it is that I'm consuming, music, videos, YouTube, Netflix, etc., without giving up my surrounding to what's going on. So for example, right now, once I'm done with this video, I'm gonna work out. I'm gonna use these. I'm gonna listen to music. However, by using these, I can still listen to someone coming in and out of the door if I can't see them. I can still listen to someone calling me, someone trying to grab my attention. I'm not secluding myself from the rest of the world. Okay, and that's one of the biggest reasons why you'd want to get this. If you're someone who goes for a walk, if you're someone that goes for a run, someone that takes their dog out, someone who likes to listen to and enjoy content, but obviously you want to do it to a better sound, right? So you buy headphones, you buy earbuds. Then when you wear those, you really do separate yourself from the rest of the world. By using these that I have on my neck, that doesn't happen. I absolutely adore using these around the house. If my girlfriend's watching something on Netflix and I'm sitting beside her, I can still enjoy my music, what I'm listening to, and I don't even have to blast the volume. I don't even think I get to about halfway up on the volume, because the way this is positioned, you're going to get that sound so close to your ear that you can keep the sound at a low setting. Other people around you barely hear it. You enjoy it, but yet you still hear them. So no more of you're listening to something, your significant other saying something to you and you're pulling out your earbuds going like, what? What did you say? I couldn't hear you. Say that again. That ends with these guys. Forget about the fact that Bose offers really good sounding speakers. Forget about that. This sounds great, but this isn't the main reason why you want to buy these. I think JBL offers something similar that you put around your neck. I think LG offers something that actually pulls out earbuds and you can put in your ear. Those have compromises in either battery life or sound quality. Because if you're going with the LG, whatever they're called, you pull out the earbuds, you put them in the earbuds aren't going to sound as good as other dedicated earbuds. If you just listen to the sound coming from the speakers, they're tinnier. They don't have enough space to really produce good sound. With these Bose Soundwear and the companion app that comes with it, you're getting optimal sound and you're getting the ability to still enjoy the outside world. I can't recommend them enough. And I'm not an audiophile. I'm not someone who actually goes, man, I gotta get the best beats out there. I gotta get the best Sony headphones out there. Matter of fact, if you're new to my channel, you guys probably don't know, but I use AirPods. AirPods aren't the best sounding things. I love them because of their simplicity and what they do for me and what I want to listen to or consume media. When it comes to these Bose speakers, I absolutely love the way they sound. And look, I have these on my neck and I barely feel them. Another thing about these guys is you can actually bend and adjust to your neck. If you don't like the black, you can actually take the cover out, buy some covers. I'm sure Amazon will sell them for the cheap, because right now Bose sells them for like $30 a pop. I think that's a little overpriced, but you can change the color as well, kind of customize them to what style you like. And like I said, they fit well, they're adjustable, they sound great. Battery life is probably close to like 10 hours. I've got about 8.5 hours. They've got obviously play and pause. They've got a sync button. They've got volume up, volume down. And I think one of the buttons as well does Hey Siri or OK Google. So you have that functionality. I can not recommend these enough. If you guys have any questions, if you guys own them and you love them, if you don't like them, if you're considering them, whatever the case may be, let me know in the comment section below, because I absolutely love them. And I just wanted to share that, guys, with you. Like I said, let me know in the comment section below if there's anything you want me to reply back to or have any questions. If you haven't subscribed already, hit that subscribe button. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace, salute, and stay geeky like always.